Mä näen sen nyt.
Evening, chaps.
Okay guys, I got one.
Mistä sä ammut se?
Tissikukkulat. Yritän.
Toi jätkä sanois, että se olisi tuolla... Joo, se on siellä hillin päällä.
Okei, hilli.
Think he's on the hill, opposite.
Siellä missä just Raiderit enää. Okay, I got him. Wait, I shoot him. Toivottavasti tää paska pystyy ampua tosta.
Come shop, guys. Free gear.
Shot.
Paljon tonne on matkaa.
Pistä
There's a
veipa.
guy crouching with the bag on it behind the thing.
Who's shooting?
Me, I killed someone.
Okay, good job.
He wasn't in a diamond or anything, so I killed him.
Okay, I got the one in the hill. Tuo sekasotko vittu tossa äsken, kun tultiin ulos talosta.
Two guys.
Fuck, I only have sniper rifle I can shoot, but I have grenades. Fire
Oh,
in the hole.
grenade.
Grenade.
Split guys.
No, you're nearly there. Behind that building there.
I got him.
Nice, good job.
Good amount of pressure.
Mihin sä
Guy
saat
who's just landed right
Se-
behind me.
luuttaessa mä käyn hakea pistol?
Yeah, fuck it.
I don't know, but I would like to go to the Cherno. Or at least try that.
Yeah, let's go Cherno.
Okay,
Yeah,
lähdetään
yeah,
Cherno.
let's go Cherno.
Okay, let's go
the
Cherno.
plan.
Let's go
Let's
Cherno.
go, boys.
Toi on vähän sillä...
Surprise, motherfucker!
Relax.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Sorry, dude. Wrong place to run in.
Yeah.
Vittu
Wrong place.
toi jätkä sai elämänsä yllätyksen.
Jep, väärässä paikassa väärässä aikaa. Oikein.
That too.
Alright then.
Oh, shots from behind.
No täällä on taas tausta joku kuolimeista. I see him.
Where is he?
Motherfucker!
Behind the yellow. Oh,
I
good job.
got him.
Right.
Okay, he's got Raheem
Just go
with
regrouping this.
all the attachments.
If I can stay alive longer than 5 seconds.
Guy! There's a guy!
Jump through the wall in front.
Voiko tää ajaa?
Joo.
Okay, we can drive it.
Tai sit...
Sound.
Oh fuck. I'm logged.
Sun
Get
pitää
in and
venää.
out, get in and out. Because you're poking through the roof.
Yeah, we know. Sun pitää venää hetken aikaa, että se poppaa sieltä ulos. Mulla kävi mönkien kanssa samalla lailla.
Give me a second, I'm running out now, boys.
Does anyone have a duct tape?
Tai joo, mä omistan, mut
Joo.
Duct tape, I have duct tape, yeah.
mä exittää ja takas.
Do you want me to repair
Okay,
it?
he will exit and come back. Kyllä SU vielä pääsee. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Shit, I'm hit.
Me too. Me too.
I think we should go to the trading zone, buy some Instadox and heal ourselves up, and get some stuff, and then go into the Cherno.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea, to be honest. I like that idea.
We
'Cause
should
then we
buy
can build it
like...
properly then.
Okay, I'm shot, I'm shot. What the fuck, guys? What the fuck?